welcome to a new video. I'm gonna test out the Hugerock tablet, the brightest one on the market, they say. I already unpacked everything, so you're not gonna get a fancy unpacking video. But this is the tablet. I'm gonna picture it in detail. I'm gonna compare it to my old Samsung. This is an Active 3. Pretty much the same size, only the rugged tablet is a bit thicker and it looks more sturdy. It's about the same weight, so that doesn't matter really much. So I'm gonna take you with me on how I'm mounting this one on my T7 and how it works, how it looks, the specifications and the brightness, because that is a real game changer compared to this one. So here we go. So I already unpacked everything, but to give you a quick look what's already in the box. This is an external GPS that can be added to the tab. Just a regular USB-C connector. The tab can be charged in 3 ways with the USB-C connector, with this magnetic 3 pins adapter that goes on the side like that, and there is another cable that goes in here, but I already mounted that one to my bike, so I can't show you that one. I also got the additional mounting kit. This base plate goes on the back of the tablet like that, and then we have here, this is an additional steering clamp, so you can mount it on your handlebars if you like. But what I'm gonna do, I got a ROM mount from E-mounting so that I can place this one on an AMPS mount. Maybe in the future I will develop together with a buddy of mine a 3T plate, so I can adjust or remove the large fitting and just put it flat on my AMPS mount. This is where the tablet mounts. It's really simple. This goes on here. I have to bolt it in. You can turn this one. Then you can slide this one in. And then it's stuck, and you can put it on different sizes. So that was just a quick look, and now I'm gonna put everything together and I will show you when it's done. My plan was to mount this base mount from E-mounting on here, so I have the AMPS for now. But their own system, it looks like a RAM, but it's a bit smaller, so this one is not fixing it enough, so I'm gonna have to check how to mount it. Jeff mounted only this plate already on his base plate, but I'm going to print a 3T file so the black bracket comes straight on the GPS, but that's gonna take 1 or 2 days, I think. So I can mount it on the handlebar if I want to with this one, but if I want to mount it on an AMPS mount, this is not a RAM size ball. But for now, this is the visibility of the tab. I do have my Samsung right here. It's a bit difficult to see on the video how much brighter the tab is, because this one is now at 100% and this one is, well, I won't say it is lowest, but if I put it on its brightest, the screen just doesn't see it enough. I'm gonna check this outside, and then I can also show you which angles you can view the screen best, because now I'm inside and I can see this one as well, but outside from this angle I can see it, and this one I can. So that will be in the next few days. For now I'm gonna leave it here because I can't mount it right now, but that will be fixed soon. And to cover the specs, as you can see here, internal memory is 128 gigabytes, so that's pretty good. I don't know if I can see all the other stuff in here. Android 13. No, I can't see the RAM mount in here, but works very quickly. Robook plugin, and here are the apps you can choose. Settings, and I run this in DMD2 mode when it starts up. So it starts up in DMD because that's the only thing I'm using, and I still can access my apps if I want to. You can clearly see how the visibility on the Hugerock is, well, quite a bit better, especially in the sun. And the camera doesn't even do justice to how it is in real life. As you can see, pardon my French, the plate that has been printed fits perfectly. So now this is the mount for the tab. So now it's mounted. You can set up the height because this is a slider, so if you want it a bit higher, it's doable. Cockpit view. Solid base like this. Well, and as you can see, it has a much better view from every angle. Well guys, I tested it out. Fits like a glove with the AMPS mount bracket. The charging is very quick and it stays at a 100%. It's plugged in at the accessory plug. What do I have to say more? It just works like a tab. The brightness is pretty insane. So for now I have to really test it out in harder conditions, and that will probably be next month and during some OTR that starts in September. So that's what I'm gonna do for now. For now the test is passed, so we're gonna see how it holds up in the future, but I like it a lot more than the Samsung because of the brightness and also because it's more rugged. I hope they're gonna make it in black or another color as well, or I have to redo my decal kit in the same color as this. But for now it doesn't really bother me. I also barely, not me myself, but the guy who was my 3D printer, Pascal, made a bracket, so if I'm not running the tab, I can click the wire into there and then it's a straight fit. That's it for now. I hope you got a bit of a feeling on how the tab works. It will also be available in the Netherlands through jbmotoren, where we come a lot. He's gonna buy a few and then he's gonna sell them. So thanks for watching and see you next time.